Hi everybody, this is Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you a brand new floor plan in the Avenger ATI line. ATI of course stands for Anything Tows It, which is their lighter weight line. So this is the 26 RDS, so rear dinette with a slide. Very, very unique. We'll start on the outside. So you can see it's got that new fresh look that Avenger came out with from this past year. Big power awning, goes right over the slide, covers almost the whole coach. It's got the solid stance steps, wide entry door, outside speakers. Let's head inside and check it out. All right, so welcome inside. So you can see opposing slide outs, gives you the nice big island in the front, or in the middle here. Big single sink, industrial sprayer faucet. You got the LED backlit backsplash. New Furion oven, the glass top, glass front as well. Counter space, lots of lighting, big rear dinette. So tons of big windows. You know, this will fold down to the size of a double bed as well if you need that extra sleeping space. And then you got the nice love seat here. This can flip down into a bed as well if you need it. There are charging ports here too, if you needed to plug in and charge up a mobile device. This is where you'd put your TV. Coat hangers. Okay, storage above with your little Bluetooth deck there. And let's head down the hall here. It's got all your controls. Huge washroom. So you walk in, you can see lots of closet space here. Angle shower, vanity, and it leads right into the master. It's got the queen bed, closets on either side, storage underneath. Shelving above, all LED lighting of course, power on either side if you have to plug anything in at night, as well as a USB charging port. It's also got the solid wood doors instead of any curtains or like maybe an accordion door that you see in a lot of the competition. So a lot of great features. And that about does it for the Avenger 26 RDS. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. I'll catch you next time.